birthday? Bike it up, buddy. Good job. There you go. Yeah, good job, Jacob. That's it, buddy. Good job. So fast, I can't even keep up with you. Look at him go. Speed demon. That's my boy. Only about 2 or 3 tries and there you go. Of course, it took forever in a day. It's not like it's 4 years or... What'd you tell me after lunch?
3 years
Something
late.
about, you said, don't make me ride my bike. Isn't that what you said after lunch?
Yes.
What?
Yes.
That's what you said, right? And now, are you glad I made you ride your bike? What are we going to do now?
Ride it.
Where are we at?
Um,
Here, look over at me. I can't hear you.
We're kind of like by the train station and kind of by the beach.
Kind of by the beach. And where? What town are we in?
Florence.
Let's ride the trail. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, come on. You lead the way, buddy. You're the leader of.
Go.
Okay, well, just get your bike ready, and then you lead the way. Okay? Show me how you do. I'll follow you. Yeah, you can. There you go. You're all right. Take your time and just do it. There you go. See? Hey. All right. It's okay. They won't bother you. Look at that. We're riding the trail. Beautiful day in Lawrence, Kansas. No, I won't run over Ladybug. Here, we'll ride up parallel a little bit. There you go. Have fun. Oh, here comes some people now. Come, look out this way. Come towards me. There you go. There you go. Good job. Stay on this side of the path, okay? There you go.
I'm going where the water tastes like wine. We can jump in the water, stay drunk all the
Higher, is that better? Yeah, you like that better? You're more pedal that way. You sure are fast. I can't even keep up with you, you're so fast.
I'm gonna leave the city, got to get away. I'm gonna leave the city, got to get away. All this fussing and fighting, man, you know I sure can't stay.
Oh, you had an itch?
Now, baby,
So, what do you think? What do you think of riding the trail so far?
Just exactly where
Good,
we're
what?
going, I cannot say, but we
Can you
might
give me a
even
thumbs up then if it's
leave
good?
the
Like this? It's good.
USA.
Oh, Harry, I didn't see that. What was that? Just have to
There's
look
a
at it.
brand new game
There you go.
I
See?
won't
Look at you, Speed Demon. Now you want to stay on this side because here comes some people approaching us. Just keep pedaling. Stay on this side though, okay?
No use of you
On
running
this side. There you
or
go.
screaming and crying,
Good job.
'cause you've got a romance as long as I've got mine.
Like a regular old Kansas. Are you sure you haven't been sneaking out at night coming down here riding? No, because you look like an old pro. You sure you haven't been sneaking out at night coming down here? 'Cause you seem to like you're all fast and everything, like you know where you're going. Can't even keep up with you, you're so fast. You like it? What do you think we should do now? Go to Dairy Queen and get ice cream. probably ought to wait till next time we bring Mom, huh? We don't want to leave Mom out though. Okay, here's our turn off. Let's stop. What'd you think?
That was good.
Hold up, come here. Can't hear you.
That was good.
That was good. Now what should we do? Come hold up. Can't wait for me. What do you think we should do?
I want to get.
Hold up now. Come here. Can't hear you.
I want to get ice cream.
I don't know if we can do that.
Going down the road, pretty baby. Going down the road, pretty baby. Going down the road, pretty baby, baby. Don't wanna be treated this way. Going where the climate suits my clothes. Going where the climate suits my clothes. Going where the climate suits my clothes. Yes, I wanna be treated this way.
Yeah, push off the pedal. There you go.
Going down the road,
There you
feeling
go.
bad.
Yeah, all right. He did
Going
it.
down the road,
He
feeling
did it.
bad.
He set the pedal the other
Going
side.
down the road,
Good
feeling
job,
bad, bad, bad.
Going now.
Wanna be treated this
Going down
way.
that traffic light. Follow the sidewalk. Keep going. Follow it around. Right up to the traffic light. Going left. There you go. Woo, good job. Come on up here. Walk your bike.
What you need is like numbers to be able to mix in.
What you think of that bike ride? Tired? You ready for what? A root beer? You have to tell that bartender we want 2 root beers. Me? You can order. We'll go out, sit on the deck, watch the music. No?
Going down the road, feeling bad. Going down the road, feeling bad. Going down the road, feeling bad. Yes, I am. Wanna be treated this way. Going down the road, feeling bad.
Alright, lead the way.
Going down the road, feeling bad. Going down the road, feeling bad. Yes, I am. Wanna be treated this way. Going down the road, feeling bad.
Look, you're
Going down the road, feeling bad. Going down the road, feeling bad. Wanna be treated this way. Going down the road, feeling bad. Going down the road, feeling bad.
here in the window.
Going down the road, feeling bad. Yes, I am. Don't wanna be treated this so good. Going down the road, feeling bad. Going down the road, feeling bad. Going down the road, feeling bad, bad, bad. Don't wanna be treated this way.
What do you think, man? What do you want to say, Mama, now? Wait, was that a pretty good ride? How far did we ride?
About 99 miles.
About 99 miles? Yeah? Where are we at right now?
We're at the highway bridge.
The highway bridge, right. And we rode from where?
Bar.
A bar?
All the way to the other side of the.
We rode from the one bridge to the other bridge, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
One bridge to another bridge. We went about 99 miles.
Yeah, you know, you're so fast, it's hard for me. Okay, here we go again. I'll follow you. You lead the way. Yeah, you're not going to be going so fast into that headwind, will you? All right, slow up and cross the street. What do you need to do? Yep, slow up and look both ways, that's right. Good job, little man. All right, we're back at the car. That's a pretty good job, huh? What'd you think of that? It was good? Just good? You don't want to do that again, do you? You do? Do what now? Tell me again now. What? Turn around. I can't hear you.
Has to be another day.
Another what?
Day in summer.
Another day in summer. Oh, you mean you want to come and do that again another day? What else would you like to do? What can we do to make it better next time, you think?
I don't know.
You don't know? Maybe we could, I don't know, we could bring somebody with us. We could, we could bring something to eat.
Wait, I have a good idea of who we can bring.
Who?
We can bring.
Ooh, I know, Stella.
No. I choose.
I can't think of anybody else. Can you?
I was guessing
Tristan?
Tristan.
He could ride a bike. I don't know. Who else might come?
Tristan, Dad and Mom.
That's the only person you can think of?
Mhm.
Nobody in our house?
Mom.
Who?
Mom.
I couldn't hear you.
Mom.
Oh. Oh, you mean M-O-M, Mom. Maybe you should come over here and say something to her. Come over here and tell her in the camera how much fun you had. No? Hmm?
Now I'm not going to get off of you.
Hey. Are you done? What'd you say now? You want to what again?
Ride up bikes again.
What'd you say a minute ago? I didn't hear you. You said, can we what?
I don't want to talk. I'm good.
You're embarrassed. Oh, you don't want to say anything in front of that girl on her bike? You want to say anything in front of her? Is that what you're embarrassed about?
Uh-huh.
Oh. Now a minute ago you said, Dad, can we something? What'd you say? I didn't hear you. Stand up, I'm trying to ask you questions. Stand up. Now what did you say?
I want to do this again sometime.
Okay, well we'll ask Mom later then if she wants to go bike riding with us, right?
Uh-huh.
You sure? Whoa. Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Okay, because what? We got room for what on here?
Bikes.
Whose?
Mine, Mom's, and yours, Dad.
Okay, it's a deal.